Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to daily spoken English practice. Today we'll practice simple future tense with will. Rashid and Khalid will eat. Rashid ও Khalid খাবে. Rashid and Khalid will go. Rashid ও Khalid যাবে. Rashid and Khalid will read. Rashid ও Khalid পড়বে. Rashid and Khalid will play. Rashid ও Khalid খেলবে. Fatima and Khadija will eat. Fatima ও Khadija খাবে. Fatima and Khadija will go. Fatima ও Khadija যাবে. Fatima and Khadija will read. Fatima ও Khadija পড়বে. Fatima and Khadija will play. Fatima ও Khadija খেলবে. Practice every day. Speak fluently. Like, share and follow. Subscribe for more.